We've all been there, either by accident or on purpose. You deleted a text message and you want to get it back, or at least be able to read it so that you can go back, maybe take a screenshot. I'm going to show you some clever options that you can go through that you probably didn't know. The first option, and this is the simplest, and then we'll get to the more advanced ones, is let's say you just swipe to the left on a message. You might think, hey, this is permanently deleted, but it's not actually permanently deleted because you can just tap on your profile here at the top right, and then just go into archived. You might have already known about this, and here are all your archived text messages. It's easy to get them back from here. You can just press and hold on it, and then tap on that little arrow up to unarchive it. And just like that, it's back here. However, that's the simplest thing, and most likely you've already checked that. I'm going to walk you through some more advanced options as well. Let's get out of here, and next let's swipe up to get into your settings. After you're in your settings, you're going to scroll down until you get to notifications. And within here, you might be able to see that text message in your notification history. So that's the next place I would look. Let's scroll down to advanced settings here. And then at the very top, tap on notification history. If you just recently got that text message and you deleted it, it will be in your notification history. So I can just scroll down and you're going to look for notifications from messages. You can see calls, maps, etc. Just essentially find the one that has messages, open it up, and see if that text message is in there. If it's not, no worries, we have other ways to be able to get it back. So let's go back to the very beginning here. After you're at the very beginning of your settings, let's tap on connected devices next. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is checking where it says calls and texts on other devices. Potentially you've deleted it from your Android phone, but you can just find it and read it on another device. So let's tap on that. And from here, if I scroll down, you can see text on other devices. If this is turned on and you have other devices that are synced up, it's easy to just go to those other devices and read that text message on there, maybe take a screenshot, whatever you want. However, in my case, I don't have any other devices, so let's walk through some other options as well. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. After you've done that, we're going to scroll down until you see the option that says accounts and backup, and tap on that. Now, there are a couple different places where you could be backing it up. You can see in my case, Samsung Cloud here. If I tap on it, there is messages, and the last backup was January 20th. So if I received that text message before that recent backup, and essentially I wanted to just recover it, I can hit restore data and then just go through the process of restoring all of my data back to the most recent backup. Again, keep in mind that backup needs to have been after you got that text message, but before you deleted it. However, let's say you don't have a Samsung Galaxy or you don't use that. You can also just go to Google Drive and you'll be able to see under backup details, you should be able to see photos, videos, other device data. In that will include all of your messages. You can scroll down, you can see SMS and MMS messages. All you need to do is restore to the Google Drive backup. To be able to do that, essentially what you're going to do is go back to the beginning of your settings. At the beginning of your settings, you can scroll down, and from here, you can go to About Phone, and then scroll down and hit reset. So just reset your phone and restore to that Google Drive backup. This definitely works if you have that backup most recently, basically before you've deleted the text message, but after you receive the text message. However, let's say all of these don't work. The last trick that you have up your sleeve is to look to see if your carrier has a copy of it. You'd be surprised because, for instance, if you have Verizon, you can see Verizon message backup. Basically, it says Verizon messages are backed up using Verizon Cloud, automatic for Android text messages. So I don't know what carrier you have, but just search for your carrier and to see if they have automatic backups. You can see in the case of Verizon, all I need to do is download their Messages Plus app and be able to see all of those backed up messages, even if they're deleted from my phone.